Alright guys, we are going to do a review on the nation's best engineer pick tool since '63. Lock, who made in Taiwan, fabrique à Taiwan. Oh, Hudson. Well, let's see what happens. We gotta use this box cutter to open it up. Alright guys, let's check it out. Ah, you hear that smooth, sensational sound? That just means that it's good packaging, right? Really good packaging. You can't even open it with one hand. Alright, here we go. Here we go. See what's on the inside, guys. Alright, there we go. We got, oh, nice. Tension wrenches, a little screw and a nut thing. Yes, I love it when that happens. Uh-oh, every locksmith needs this instructional booklet on how to use this. Pistola a grimadelo, un atrezo profesional a grimadelo modo de utilización. Preparing to pick a lock. Examine the keyway. Okay, yes, we know this. Oh, what is this? Easy pick gun. Oh my goodness, this is shiny. It's adjustable. Wow, that's incredible. Let me turn the flash off for a second just to see this. Wow, it's solid. It's like a stapler. All right, I think that probably works pretty good. Now we gotta put this together. All right, guys, we got douche, pistolet a crocheter, ganzuas. All right, and then we got douche vorbichinjunzur sholasunchkong. Now this tells me a lot because now I know that the pins have to be faced that way. All right, guys, we're ready. Oh yeah. Oh, that was easy. Goodness, I can't believe it. The easy maximum minimum. It's adjustable. You can adjust it.